Hi, and welcome to another dubstep drop tutorial. Today, I will show you how to make a drop like this. But before we start, I recommend that you visit my store and see the offers there are for samples and presets. Link on description. First, I started with the drums. The kick has only a plugin called Mystic from Asika Audio. The left part corresponds to the saturation section. Then I added some dB on sub-frequencies and really high frequencies, and finally the compressor, just a bit with a medium fast release to control the peaks. For the snare, I used Spiff with a preset to bring the attack and Pro L2 to limit the dB. Cymbals have nothing. Now let's check the bass line. It has 4 types and a noise. The first one was made with Vital VS, using 2 personalized wavetable, noise, and some effects. The second one is a hard sub-bass with noise using Serum VSD. The third bass was with Serum 2 to add dimension setting into the unison value. Finally, a sustain bass. This special is used with pitch map to add color to the drop. And here, a really simple noise. Here is the pick map on the sustain bass. And then Mystic. To cut low frequencies, a high setting on saturation and compress a lot. Basically, I use the same Mystic parameters on the other accompaniment basses. Some samples from my Dubstep sample pack with the filter plugin called Shade. This crazy bass that I like a lot. And these voices, both with different pitch settings. Now the respond part of the drop. Here are 3 basses. The 5th one is from one of my shorts tutorial. I recommend you see them. The second one is a copy with high value on unison. This is for add dimension to the drop. And finally, a fast bass to use as a background. On mixer, I used Mystic with a bit of saturation. a lot of push on 10K frequencies, and a lot compression. Then the hard bass line with noise. And another fast bass with pitch map to add color. On drums, change the snare cutting the attack and use the same kick instead. And this voice filled the same situation as the last one, changing the pitch on both samples. And this is all. Like, subscribe and comment for a second part, showing the intro and build up. Don't forget to check out the sample offers in my store. Thanks for watching and see you in another tutorial.